Hi, today we are going to perform a group activity. As everyone know that play is an important part of any therapy program. So today's activity is a perfect game to address a variety of skills which helps in the development of children. This activity gives benefit to children with poor proprioceptive processing, balancing issues, difficulty in bilateral coordination, poor gross motor skills, difficulty in playing with peer group, and children who are unable to understand or follow commands. Now let's know how to play this game.
Hello, the topic of today's activity is Simon Says. In this activity, one person is the leader and calls out the actions. Everyone else must follow the leader and do the action. For example, Simon says touch your toes. Everyone must touch their toes. Then the leader has to try and get everyone to do an action without saying Simon says. If someone does the action and the leader did not say Simon says, that person is out of the game. For example, if the leader says just touch your toes and someone touches their toes, they are out of the game. Here are some more examples. Simon says clap your hands. Simon says touch your knees. Simon says run in place. Simon says stand on one foot. Wave hello. You are out of the game because I didn't say Simon says. This game is a fun way to practice improving body awareness while also incorporating motor skills including balance and bilateral coordination, and also helps in keeping kids busy and active indoors. Thank you.